Welcome, taxpayer! On this tutorial, we'll show you how to use the SARS SMS services. This video will show you how to book an appointment, request balance and statement of account, determine whether to submit an income tax return or not, request a tax reference number. To book an appointment, on your mobile phone, tap New Message. Send the SMS to SARS on 47277. Type in the word booking, followed by a space and then either your ID, passport, or asylum seeker number. You will then receive a reply to notify you that one of our agents will contact you within 3 business days to confirm your booking. To request your balance or statement of account, SMS the word balance followed by a space and then either your ID, passport, or asylum seeker number. SARS will send you a response showing the balance on your account as well as confirmation that your statement was sent to you by email. You can log into your email to view your statement of accounts, SOA. To determine whether or not you need to submit a tax return, simply send an SMS with the word file followed by a space and then either your ID, passport, or asylum seeker number. SARS will send you a confirmation stating that you have already submitted the tax return or that you still need to submit it. To request the issuing of a tax reference number, type the following letters TRN followed by a space and either your ID, passport, or asylum seeker number. SARS will send you an SMS confirming your tax reference number and a notification stating that the tax reference number has been sent via email. You can view your confirmation of registration on your email. This is an example of the document confirming your tax number, also known as a Notice of Registration, IT 150. Note that it will be dated with an electronic date stamp. Please note that standard SMS rates apply and free SMSs do not apply. And that concludes the How to use the SARS SMS Services tutorial. Thanks for watching. Your tax matters. SARS at your service.